I'm so glad you are here. You'll want to stick around as I promise it will be worth your time. The contents of this video message are for your eyes only. Let's get started. Did you know that it is actually possible to have your own online store without owning an actual brick and mortar space? Now think about that for a minute. Being able to sell inventory without having to stock or fulfill it yourself. This is all possible now and easy to set up. Did you know that it is actually possible to have your own digital products that you can sell online without the hassles of owning an actual brick and mortar space or filling your garage with boxes of inventory? Thanks to the internet, it is easy to access a virtually unlimited source of targeted buyers. Our customers have been very happy with our services. I'm not talking about a small profit here. There are many out there currently doing this and making a full-time income. You can learn more about our services right on this page. You can learn more directly below this video. Simply click the link on this page to learn more. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. We'd love to share more with you about this exciting new opportunity that others are already putting into practice and profiting from.